What is up, guys? How you guys doing? Today I'm gonna be doing a blister pack. As you guys can see, it's gonna be a Alolan Exeggutor. I'm pretty sure that's how you guys say it. Let me know if I'm saying it wrong in the comment section below. But if you guys are having a good day, leave a thumbs up. If you're having a bad day, leave a thumbs down. Let me know why in the comment section below. You guys are here for the TCG codes. Skip ahead, feel free. First come, first serve. So let's get it. You guys can see, pretty good coin. Let's open it. And I'm never good with boxes, so don't expect much from me. We're here for these packs. I'm gonna do this one, so let's put this in the middle. I'm feeling lucky. Here's the code, guys. Make sure you guys are fast. Feel free to go back, feel free to pause, do what you guys have to do. Ooh, it just came shooting at me. A ho coin. It's a pretty cool coin. Ho. I don't know why, but I love legendary birds. The ho, I love the 3 Moltres, Zapdos, Narikuno, of course. Don't think I forget about Rikuno, but I don't know, it's just something with legendary birds that I love. There we go on the sleeve. Let's open up. I believe this is Celebi, if I'm not mistaken. You guys are probably screaming at me like, no, it's not. Correct me, guys. Let's get this pack opening started. Second code of today. Make sure you guys are fast. Let's do 3. In the front. Let's do this. We have Sky Plume, Pinsir, Groville, Bale Seal, Onyx, Spinark, Popplio, Morlul. We have a nice Yamask. We have a Pyroar. We have Energy type, Electric. Let's put this on a sleeve. It's backwards. Okay, let's get it. Second pack. Alright. The code is right here. 2, 3. I don't know the exact thing for it, but I'll try my best. Here's the third code, guys. First come, first serve. We have Magerana, trainer card Fairy Charm, trainer card Mixed Herbs, Kubusho, Tangela, Vulpix, Alolan Vulpix, Nobulb, Marini. We have nice Chikorita. Oh, I like this art of Ho-Ho. And we have an energy type, Psychic. Let's get two of these sleeves. I don't know, I just like the art in Ho-Ho. Like I did say, he's a legendary bird. He's not one of the 3 element ones, but he's one of the 4 legendary birds that I recall, at least. It might not be shiny, hollow, whatever, but I like it nevertheless. Put this on the side. I don't know why, but I kind of like the art on this Pyroar. I'm going to put a sleeve on this too. Just because I can. Even though it's not shiny or anything. But let's get on with the last pack. One, two, three. Last code of today, guys. Make sure you guys are fast. As I always be saying. If it focuses. There you guys go. Let's get on with the last pack. Hopefully something good. We have Ariados, trainer card Moo Moo Milk. We have Vespi Queen, Larvitar. We have a Slowpoke. We have a Kubusho. We have a Diglett. We have a Natu. Ooh, we have a nice trainer Life Forest. Honestly, I seen the black. I thought it was gonna be an EX. I'm not mad at it though. Trainer Life Forest, hollow, whatever it is, pretty cool. We have a Steelix, an evolution of Onix, and we have a Fire type energy card. Let's put a sleeve on this trainer card. Pretty cool trainer card if I do say so myself. Pretty lit. Well, yeah, this is today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe. Don't feel obligated to do so. Do it on your own will if you guys want to. If you guys like this type of content, you guys like giveaways of TCG codes, I'll be doing that most of the time. But yeah, you guys have a good one. Stay up. Take care, you guys.